Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we learned two things. First is how to check if a string is a numeric or not. And second things, how to get the word count from a string. So let's go to the Uipath and create a workflow for that and see how to do that. So I'm opening Uipath Studio. You can see the screen. So now I'm gonna start creating a workflow. So I'm taking the first activity is input dialog box activity. For taking an input from user info and the label I'm providing. Please enter any in please enter any input value. Okay, and this value is stored in the one variable. So I'm creating here variable control k user input. Okay, now I'm taking another activities is if activity. In the if activity, we are here providing the expression is a is numeric is numeric curly bracket open and provide the variable name here. So variable name is space user input. Okay, and now so if a condition is true, then go to the first then condition. If condition is false, then go to the else condition. So in then I'm taking a activity message box activity here. Else I'm also taking this message box activity. So in the then I'm writing the text. This is a numeric. Okay, this is not numeric. Numeric value. Okay, so we'll save the program and see the output. So here asking the input. So firstly I'm entering the any a string value. I'm typing here Raju. Okay, so you can see here this is not a numeric, so it's working fine. Now again run this flow and provide the input value is number, then see the in output. So here I'm providing 1 2 3 4. So this is a numeric value. So you can see here the output is this is numeric. So this way you can check the any string value is numeric or a string. So we have see the another things how to get the count of a string, how to get the word counts of any string. So for that I'm using the activity, another activity is message box activities, and see how to count that. So here after if I'm using message box activity, and in this message box activity I'm writing here user bracket open user input dot a split bracket open double quote c dot count dot to a string. C is You can type here C is a small c. So showing here the count is C count is a capital count. You can see the must exactly one character. Okay, so you can provide here the spaces. Now we can save the workflows and run this flow. So here I'm providing the input is a string input. Raju, Raju Rastogi. So I'm providing the this is a string value. In the string value there is two words. So if you have, write the multiple words, so then you can count that words how many words coming in this string. So I'm providing here the two string. So, okay, and you can see this is a not a numeric and the result is 3. So because why result showing 3, we have a two words but showing the 3 because of I'm providing the space again. So again I run this flow, and in the input I'm providing Raju space Rohit space Amit. So now you can see output will be 3. So this way you can count the word count in a string. So I hope you understand both things. So if you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We'll provide the solution. That's it for today. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.